Okay, hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be unboxing my wireless Mighty Mouse that I got from eBay for $46, which has shipping included. So I'm going to unbox this with a flathead screwdriver, not that it matters to anybody. And so here we go. Alright, here's some tape here. Alright, here, right. Alright, so, I ordered this on eBay. And, here it is. There's the Mighty Mouse. And it seems like it has batteries in it already. It's got a little bit of dust and dirt on it, but you know, that's what I'm gonna have to deal with. So I guess I'll open up this here, and that turns it on. And then I have to I'm not sure what the blinking light means, but here, let me just go into my Bluetooth. And yeah, alright, I'll do that later. Thank you so much to the person who sent this to me, and I will have more videos to come. Bye.